Hello dear traders, welcome to another update. So for today's analysis I will cover Euro versus US dollar, I will speak about the gold market and about Australian versus US dollar. So I will start with the Euro versus US dollar first. So basically what I found on the daily time frame, watching also the rate of change, and there is a rate of change flip to the upside for today. We can see basically that after the two down days, after the two high to low down days, we got a rate of change flip to the upside, which is really suggesting there is some bull movement for today. We already got a rally, so we already had a rally of about approximately about 34, 36 ticks, right? But we still actually got that we're still holding into the previous day range, and it's still there is still potential for even further rally. Now, as long this low, the current day low that we made early in the morning, as long that low can hold, which is at 1.1226, there is a more chance for the further upside and eventually to go towards the previous day high and maybe the 5-day moving average around 286. So as long this low can hold for the day so far, there's a still chance for more upside and trying to fulfill this pin bar so far for the day. So my advice to watch for buying opportunities, we can also watch some lower frames. This is a daily frame, just to get a feel of the, we can watch, like, for example, this is a 30-minute time frame. We can basically see that we exit from this consolidation, and now we back there. So as I said, as long as we don't take this low, early morning low, potentially we can still find some buyers basically and try to react higher. And upside reference points, as I said, 1.1285, 289, and 1.1320. The next one I want to cover, I'll again go to daily time frame, basically is a gold market. So gold had a sell-off yesterday, it got some follow through today, but I think we are basically on a very important pivot. And I can show you by using my profile chart. I'll insert to this and just show you this consolidation had basically a point to control around 1786, 1790. Okay, so it's very, very close. On the futures market, we already tested that point to control. As you see, point to control in the futures market is right here. So I think this level here, this area here, there's also 50 moving average there. This will be a pretty important pivot level. So I will, watch for the price. If the price will have a good reaction, we can still have, maybe tomorrow we can have some rally day. But for today, I will just watch to see if this level will hold or not. If I go to lower frames, let me go to the lower frames just to show you. But actually lower, even lower than 30, just to show you most recent, like 5-minute chart. This low here is holding for now. This is the low that we made like hours ago, and we didn't actually break this at this stage, and we made this kind of channel mode. So I suppose there is maybe a potential for another rally like this, at least to try to retest this high and maybe even break that. So we're trying to find a bottom. It seems like gold is exhausted for now, trying to balance for a bit. So I will watch to see how that area around 1796, 1792, if that can hold like a support. Maybe tomorrow we can have something interesting for the upside. And I will also cover Australian dollar versus US dollar. I will also go from daily time frame, just to show you that there is also, we got a bull divergence on the rate of change. We're trading below the previous day, but as I said, there is no big momentum to the downside, so I can still see the Australian dollar and the euro to have some rally till end of the day, and maybe even going into tomorrow. So my advice would be to watch for some buying opportunities and see if you can eventually rotate in the next period towards the 0.7 to 72 or 0.7 to 80. So that will be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe and see you all tomorrow morning.